Welcome to OneSAS. Today, we will explore the analysis section. First, click on Sign In, then go to Analysis. Select your zone, choose the branches, select the class and the batches, and click on Get Results. After that, select the test and click on Get. In the rank list, you can view the user ID, name, branch, batch, subject-wise marks, subject-wise overall rank, total marks, and overall rank. You can also customize the data using the Sections filter or the All Students filter, and you have the option to export the report. Additionally, you can customize the columns. For example, if the section column is not displayed, click on Columns, check the box for Section, and the column will appear. This feature is especially useful for teachers to better understand and analyze student performance. Next, click on the CWU list. If you click on the eye icon, it will show how many students attempted each question correctly, wrong, or left it unattempted. Here, you can also see the subject-wise marks and subject-wise overall rank. Along with this, you will find the correct answers, wrong answers, and unattempted questions for each question. By scrolling to the left, you can view detailed subject-wise responses. For example, in physics, you can check how many answers were correct, wrong, and unattempted. At the end, you will also see the overall totals. Just like in the rank list, you can customize the data by selecting sections, choosing all students. If you click on Download, the report will include all the data, even absent students, and you can also export it separately. This feature is especially useful for teachers to analyze student performance in detail. Next, click on CWU Count. This section provides subject-wise counts of correct, wrong, and unattempted answers, along with the total counts across all subjects. You can also customize the columns and export the report as needed. This feature is especially useful for teachers to clearly understand student performance and identify areas that require more attention. Next, click on Question Paper Weightage. Here, you can view question-wise performance with percentages, showing the number of wrong and unattempted questions. You will also see details such as the total number of students, how many attended the exam, as well as the highest and lowest marks. For example, in question 1, 7 students answered incorrectly and 8 students left it unattempted, with the corresponding percentages. You can also download the data by clicking on the Excel icon. This feature is especially useful for teachers to understand students' performance at the question level. Now, go to Error Questions. Here, you can see details for the top 20 students only. This section highlights the questions that students answered wrong or left unattempted, categorized subject-wise. By clicking on the icon, you can view all such questions in detail. If needed, you can also take a printout by clicking on the Print option, or export the data for further use. This feature helps teachers understand student challenges and identify the areas that need more focus. Next, click on Least Attempted Questions. Here, you will see the percentage of questions that students attempted the least, including both wrong and unattempted questions. The data is organized by subjects and question number. If needed, you can also download the report by clicking on the Excel icon. This feature is very useful for teachers to understand which questions students are avoiding and to plan targeted practice accordingly. Next, click on Toppers Report. Here, you can view the results of only the top 20 students. Correct answers are shown in empty boxes, and you can check whether each question was answered correctly, answered wrong, or left unattempted, along with the time spent on that question. By scrolling down, you can see the subject-wise details. On the right side, you will also find the percentage breakdown of the test, such as correct and wrong responses. If you want to download this report, simply click on the Excel icon. This feature is especially useful for teachers to understand student performance in detail. Next, click on Toppers Error List. This report displays the top 20 students and highlights the questions they answered wrong or left unattempted. If you want to download this report, simply click on the Excel icon. This analysis helps teachers identify topics that require more attention. For example, if many students answered a particular question wrong, it indicates that topic needs revision. Next, click on Test-to-Test Comparison. Here, select the test you want to compare and click on Comparison. You can see the previous marks in each subject, the present marks, and the overall rank for each subject. It also highlights the difference in marks between the two tests. By scrolling to the left, you can view the overall previous marks and present marks, along with the overall rank and the overall difference for both tests. In the overall difference, the number indicates the marks difference, and the value inside the brackets shows the rank change, or export the data for further use. This analysis helps teachers track student progress and clearly understand their improvement over time. Next, click on Estimated Average. Select the tests and click on View Results. Here, you can see the subject-wise marks and the overall rank, as well as the total marks and the total rank for the selected tests. By scrolling to the left, you can also view the average marks for each subject along with the rank, as well as the total average and the overall rank. Additionally, you can check how many tests each student has attended. On the right side, the number indicates the total tests conducted, and on the left side, the number shows how many tests the student has attended. When you click on Estimated Average, it displays the subject-wise estimated average and rank for every subject, along with the total estimated average, overall rank, and the number of tests attended. Now, click on Subject Order. Here, you can view the marks for each test, organized subject-wise. For tests such as T1 and T2, you will find the total marks of the tests and the overall rank for T1 and T2. By scrolling to the left, you can see the average marks for every subject, the subject-wise rank. You can see the total average marks, the overall rank, and the attended tests. If needed, you can also export the report. This feature helps both students and teachers clearly understand performance trends across multiple tests. This is how you can see the analysis. Thanks for watching.